So this question says there are a total of 840 seats in a school auditorium. During an assembly, students occupied 50% of the seats in the auditorium. How many seats did the students occupy during this assembly? So we know that 50% of the 840 seats were occupied. So we're just going to convert that into a mathematical equation. 50%, and anytime you see percent on this test, you should convert into a decimal form. So 50% is the same as 0.5. Of means multiplied by, and of course then I have my 840. 0.5 times 840 is equal to 420, right? Or could have just thought of it as half of 840 is 420, and therefore there are 420 students who are occupying the auditorium during the assembly.